What is that? Is that your pic?
Yeah, the man for the man is so much fun.
How about having a pic with you? Just like that.
It's unfortunately going to have to do my brother, because pigs for us is not for free. Pigs with us is not for free.
It's not a pic, it's just like as it is. What's the name of it?
Mine is liver.
On the picture, so not to
India.
the shop.
Kaitis.
So yo,
Kaitis.
to get
Right. What is it?
yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah. Okay. And this one?
Joseph.
Joseph.
But colours were never told that the word is derogatory. They must not use it as a... They just came to us and said, okay, so what do you think? Why do you people want to be called? Then we were like, we are coloured, what do you mean? But they never said that the word coloured is downgrading. It's derogatory. They just asked us what. Then we didn't know nothing else, because we were brainwashed into thinking that we are coloured. So we accepted, now we are coloured. That's why you see today there's coloured movement. A lot of people are doing things for coloured, because they were brainwashed into thinking that we were coloured. Never knowing that the word was abolished in 1991, to say that it's derogatory when you use it.
Or you
again.
say feel free to enter. Can you enter? Yes.
Not on that side, unfortunately.
Not the
that
bed
side.
side.
That side is the king and the queens,
king and the
living
queens.
quarters and what you see. So like private space, but around there is what you mostly will see. But it's just from here, but not really too much.
So you make. But
We try to grow most of the things that we eat.
yeah,
This side you'll see there's only spices, mostly spices on this side.
yeah.
Tea, the rosemary thyme, basil, we're growing some green peppers, some chilies, everything, spices on
You
this
grow
side.
it on your own.
But on that side, we try to grow vegetables, pumpkins, butternuts, most of the things we grow.
Yeah.
There's no space to hunt, so unfortunately now we have to rely on donations to buy food,
buy
like
food
meat from shops.
Yeah.
The only thing, bread and stuff like that, we also unfortunately have to rely, because it's not
Rely
just
on the shop.
just because of we are on a protest. Otherwise, we rely on ourselves to get whatever we want. But now, just we are on a protest, so now we have to rely on stuff like that. It's just unfortunate. But if the president can come, we can go and open our own village, start our tradition as per normal. Even come there and visit us for a few days to learn
Because
whatever you
remember
want to learn.
what-
Where we are now,
Yeah.
underground.
Yeah,
They are underground.
yeah, that's what.
Those people are underground.
Yeah. That's another.
Yeah.
That's another news. It's crazy, it's sad. But anyway, it was nice meeting you, man.
Cheers,
thank you
man.
so much. Okay.
All right.
cheers.
Just
All right.
sign our
Sure.
petition. We so much appreciate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, guys. Let's go down here. Let's find out what we can see here. Amazing, beautiful area as it is, and it's still early in the morning. That's the reason why maybe there's not so many people. I've been just very early coming here, but you can see this is quite a beautiful place. And this is Mandela, the Mandela statue, the man of the world, our father. He tried to bring peace. Guys, I need to go down there. There's someone that's standing that side. That's it. That's a Khoisan, but I don't think. Maybe you'll be gone by the time that I get there. Look at this. Amazing. Wow.
Oh yes, got that.
Look at that.
Very good.
Look at that. Look at them guys.
I thought maybe say Ike. Oh, okay.
Let me show you. You see the reason why they're changing the money now.
Yeah.
Because they don't want us to be Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
Because we are fighting Ramaphosa and the system of South Africa.
Yeah.
So now before, they used to have Khoisan on the money.
Yeah.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
now they changed the money to take the Khoisan off the money. Because you don't want us to be here.
So is this the new money not representing you as well?
The
And
new money
even
doesn't
even
have us.
this is they're gonna take it out as well.
They won't be able to change that. That's the coat of arms in South Africa. It's been there since how many years now? But the language, it's our language. It's not an official
Yeah.
language. So we
Yeah.
want our language to be an official language.
Because now they make the 13 official language,
sign
which is a
language.
sign language,
But they
where
don't
they were
make it
supposed to make you a language.
It's supposed to be the first one because it's been used in the government sign. Wherever you see the sign of government.
But wasn't your case in the courts?
It didn't go to court. The case was just thrown out.
Just like that?
Before they built the churches, they didn't tell you how they got the ground, how they got the land where they built the churches on.
Yeah.
To acquire the land, they had to kill Khoisan. So the head of the Khoisan was taken to the magistrate, then you can get some land.
Mm.
So before they built the churches, the land they had to get was to kill the Khoisan. Then the blood of the Khoisan was taken to build the churches. Now they build church after that. After they build the churches, now they're telling you must go to church on a Sunday, you must wear the clothes, you must go and worship God in church.
And remember when
They never tell you before they start to build churches
Yeah.
what they do before they
what they
start to
said
build
build
the
the
church.
churches. Oh, this is Ostrucci.
Yeah, this is the only one in the world.
Where is His Majesty?
It's not just this inside. This is the only one in the world. There's none under like this.
Yeah.
This
It's a
one.
painting that was done on it for us. So it's the only one in the world. There's no other one like
It's the ostrich egg, ne?
ostrich egg, yes.
And this is the original stone
That's the
from-
stone here from the caves.
from the caves, because
Yeah,
Why
Khoisan
then?
they were used to
Cave paintings that the Khoisan used to document their lives. So those are the paintings of the caves.
It's amazing. Very amazing.
Yeah, so we're just preserving our culture, because if it wasn't for this, our culture would have died out.
Would have died, yes. Yes.
The government don't want ever to know that our culture is Khoisan.
It's
They gave
Khoisan.
us they renamed us as colored. So they wanted us to be brainwashed to thinking that we are colored. We didn't know we are Khoisan. Now we found out our heritage, we are Khoisan. Now he's trying to erase
But
it.
isn't it that there are colors and the Khoisans?
You do get
Those
colours.
are two
You do
different.
get colors. There's a
Oh,
difference, huge difference.
The colors.
The
just
colored
came
is the
in
one
Canada.
that they say it was born because of black and a white.
White, yeah.
Then the colored is born.
Yeah.
That's what they want to portray that we are. But we are Khoisan. The first nation to be in South African land, they want to erase that. That's why now they are taking us off the money. So they're trying to erase our history, but it's already there.
But there's also Khoisan there by Botswana.
Botswana has got Khoisan, Namibia, exactly.
Tanzania, Zimbabwe, you do get some of our people, all of that's the place.
All this southern Africa.
We had to run away from. That's why Namibia is there, because our people had to run from there. Botswana, that's why we were there. Tanzania, it's outside of South Africa, because we were pushed up to the north.
Yeah.
Then the people from north came, Zulus, Xhosas, they pushed us also down, so they took our women, take them back to the villages.
Yeah.
So now as the women grew up in the villages, they got pregnant. So the men took the children. Now the children, they became Xhosa. The children now they became Zulu.
Yeah.
The children now they became Pedi. But
Yeah.
the mother is still Khoisan.
Yeah.
So now all of them, they come and they say, no, but I'm also Khoisan. We said, yeah, you are Khoisan, we know that. But you are maybe our 7th generation children.
7th generation,
You see,
yeah.
because the first children that we have is the color that look like us, the so-called color. So after that, maybe it's Xhosa because they adapted our language, the way we talk. They took our cliques
Yeah.
and created a language. Zulu afterwards, then Pedi because they took our women, then made children by them, and then took the children, so the children became Zulus. But all of them, if you search your heritage, you'll
Yeah.
find out that your great-great-great-grandfather or great-great-great-grandmother
It's Khoisan.
was Khoisan. Because that's how tribes started in South Africa. It was only Khoikhoi and San in the beginning.
And they tribalize us.
And
You
now
know, the
they
problem is
tribalize us.
one thing that I hate with that. Look at Dubai. They're making their own money
Yeah,
with their
own.
minerals. But us, we not.
we are the poorest
The whole,
country in the
the whole
world,
Africa, we're not
but
making
we've
anything.
got all the minerals.
We
here.
got gold, we got copper, we got even oil all over Africa.
Because
Yeah.
they came and they saw these things are just here. We don't worry about them. Because Khoisan were walking around with diamonds on the neck.
Yeah.
Gold was just lying. We
A
didn't
real
worry about it.
diamond after all.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
That's why you see now the diamond is being used overseas. They came, they took the stuff from us. They took the gold, they took the diamonds, they take it overseas. Now they bring it back. Now they sell it to us for hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
Own things that they found here by us, but they take it there. Now they come and sell it to us.
Yeah.
That's the way that they brainwashed us to thinking, this thing. Now they've got the mining rights for everything. They've got title deeds. They've got things that we don't have
Then
because
we
they came.
And we don't
They
have
came.
like they only give you permission to
When they
occupy.
came, when
Not
they
a
came,
title deed.
when
Even
they
the
came here,
Africans, they don't have the title
when they
deeds.
came here,
No, you don't.
they take the place now. They open up the law. By law, it's their own law. Now they started to create title deeds for themselves. Now they come, they push the Khoisan out of the land to say, this is our place.
Because remember,
Yeah, it says it's my place. Now the Khoisan is inside of the yard. It's been living there ever since. Now the
Remember-
white man, he come, he say, now we put a fence.
remember that
It's
guy,
his property.
it was, yeah,
Even the years that we go by, because we are now in 2000 and what.
yeah,
So if you can think back,
yeah,
we only know as far as
yeah,
19
mm,
something in South Africa.
yeah,
What happened in 1844 in
18s,
South
yeah.
Africa? What
Yeah.
happened in 1700 in South Africa? What happened
Yeah.
in 1600?
yeah,
What happened in the year 1000?
yeah.
There's no such a thing of South Africa.
Hello.
South Africa
Okay.
started when they came to colonize. Then it was 19 what or 18 and 1400 and what by them.
Yeah.
So they started to control from there.
Yeah.
Started to live in South Africa. Now it's 14 what in South Africa as well. Now we just go by their laws. They came, we bring their laws, they make their own things. Now we must live by their laws.
Yeah.
When the people, indigenous people, had their own laws, they took that away. Because they erased our existence by renaming us. So we never knew that Khoisan is actually who we are. We thought that we were colored.
If a person take your religion and you are it change your name, your ancestral
Your
name,
ancestral name, you will be confused. That's
You'll
why
be
you see
confused.
You'll be
people-
confused. Obviously, much
the so-called
different.
colours you see today walking around are the most confused race of whatever, because
Yeah.
they don't know
They
themselves.
don't know.
They don't know their heritage.
They don't know the
They go
background.
by the saying that they are coloured.
They are coloured.
They don't know. But coloured and kafir, those are words we got in apartheid years.
yeah,
But it was abolished, the words, in 1991. Ex-President de Klerk abolished the words coloured
Yes.
and the word kafir. That's why you find today people are not using the word kafir anymore.
It was
Because it was
abolished.
abolished.
Here we go. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you around, guys. That's our day here. Guys, that was a very interesting conversation that we had with the Khoisans there. I think he had them for themselves. They've got a cry about who they are, and actually, what can I say? What is being kind of deprived of them, you know? Yeah. So you just listen to their message. Maybe you would have some clarity from there. This is Union Buildings for you, and this is Walk Africa, and this has been amazing to be having you here, guys. And I don't know if I should be ending the vlog here. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Pretty beautiful. Looking from this side, yeah. Look at that. Amazing. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.